The barbell front squat with crossed arm grip differs from the barbell back squat as the weight is placed in front of your neck, thus shifting more tension to the front of the body. This setup primarily targets more of the quadriceps while also requiring more core and upper back activation to keep the body more upright and preventing you from falling forward. The crossed arm grip is a comfortable option for those who lack the wrist mobility for a traditional front rack position. Here's how to do it correctly. Set a barbell on a squat rack at about shoulder height. Cross your arms over the bar, placing your hands on top to secure it, with your elbows pointing straight forward and upright to prevent the bar from rolling forward. Step up to the bar, resting it on the front of your shoulders just above your collarbone. Unrack the bar by standing tall, then step back into your squat stance with feet about shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Keep your chest up and core tight, then lower into a squat by bending your knees and hips, keeping your elbows high to maintain balance. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor or as low as your mobility allows. Drive your feet through the floor to stand back up, fully extending your hips and knees at the top. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.